There's one. There's one.
Oh yeah, well done. Hey.
Whoa, that one's massive.
Give the man space.
Hello. You've heard of the crocodile hunter, but have you heard of the mosquito hunter? I'm going to show you what I do in a bit, like when it gets dark, what I really actually do, like every single evening. And I've got my weapon of choice.
Just falling asleep. So we've got this mosquito net. It covers pretty much the whole bed, and it's one of the ways that we keep these nasty little mosquitoes away. Yeah, dirty mosquitoes away. Boy, they still managed to get us. A little sweetie. As well, we got the fan on. This helps blow away some of the mosquitoes as well. Say hello to the YouTubers.
YouTubers.
Mosquitoes don't get us. That's right. So there we go. So she's all tucked underneath. Mosquito net on, and they shouldn't get in there.
How much do these cost?
I'm going to put in the corner so you know, guys, how much it costs, to sleep mosquito free. The fan was £15–20, was it? I know it might sound a bit OTT, but boy, there's a reason why we do all of this. Like, look how much, this is just my stomach. Look how much I've been bitten. Like, look at that. That's just one little bit of
They're mosquito bites.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh,
and like,
man, I thought you had
up.
scabies.
Oh, shut up.
So what about, have they been biting your face as well then?
Whatever. Where I've been bitten.
What about your bottom? Have they been?
It's gone like, oh, they're across my stomach.
Show my
They're like
ankles.
around my. But yeah,
look at that.
Can you see loads of little bites there?
This one, look. I know feet are disgusting, but can you see them? And quickly, this one as well. Quick things. Sorry guys, look at that.
Yeah,
and this is
they're all
with...
scabby.
Oh wait, oh, all right, mate.
Oh,
Jesus,
bless you, darling.
cheese and pickle.
Bless you.
Scabby. So look, this is what we use as well. So we use this one here, yeah? This one is called Naturals Mosquito Repellent stuff, yeah? This gets sprayed on you like all the time, doesn't it?
Yeah, I use it all the time.
To be fair, I don't actually spray it on that much, but I do spray it on my ankles, but not really my body. I don't really get bitten anywhere. The only place I really get bitten is my feet, my ankles. Maybe my feet just have a lot of carbon dioxide, or maybe they just stink. Maybe that's it. They don't actually stink.
But yeah, like I use this pretty much most of the time. Like as you can see, there's like not much left.
Top tip. The other one worked better, the spray like chemical one. That one's a natural one. I heard people talking about using like rubbing it. Sorry, darling.
That's alright.
Just trying to scratch my head. I've heard people using rubbing alcohol.
Does that work?
To cure. I'm talking about to like settle them down.
Like after you've been bitten.
Yeah, not like, I mean like to settle down the reaction or what have you, but I don't know.
Yeah.
What do you tell me?
Boy, you have to give us your top tips here, because the mosquitoes, they're getting you, Toads, they're getting me, they're getting Hazel.
It's me and Hazel.
And
me and...
And me as well.
Why is your hand on your hip?
And
Theodore has Theodore wears shorts, yeah, and pretty much has no top on all the time when we're at home, right? And he doesn't have he basically has not one bite, does he? Nothing.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is.
Yes.
Why they don't like.
He's very lucky.
Honestly, I'm not just saying this again. Like, does anybody else experience that? I've not Googled this, but I have absolutely zero idea. While I'm getting eaten like I'm a all-you-can-eat buffet. And Theodore is exposed. I'm wearing like long sleeve, long trousers, socks, everything.
But they still manage to like pop through the clothes, don't they, and get us.
And I'm just getting completely feasted on since we've been here now. The worst thing about Jamaica, and there isn't really that many to be honest.
Yeah, there's not.
The only thing I would say which I dislike is, and the biggest, this is easily the biggest, like...
Go on then, let them have it.
The biggest down point is that the mosquitoes are persistent.
Yeah.
They're insatiable lust for blood. They just will
They're
not
annoying.
stop.
They're so annoying. I'm going to chuck one in there. Lizards bother me too, but
No, they don't
mosquitoes are like annoying.
Come with me. Follow me. Theo, do you like my hat? See everybody. Hello! So every single time we go out the front door, we have to use one of these because they get in. Yesterday, there aren't actually that many there right now, yeah? But yesterday, there was like, there must have been 50 mosquitoes all bouncing off of this thing.
And
I was like,
bouncing.
Yeah, and they tend to be down the bottom.
Bounce.
They all tend to be like down around this half of the door, the bottom half. And they just will not stop. And obviously some of them get through. But we got this from MegaMart. Hey. Hiya. So we got this thing from MegaMart. This is
it has helped, to be honest.
So before we really knew what was going on, we just had the front door open, and there was like 50 mosquitoes.
Mistake.
50 mosquitoes in the room at night. I'm going to show you how I deal with them. You've heard of the crocodile hunter, but have you heard of the mosquito hunter?
Just be careful, okay?
That wasn't on purpose.
Be careful.
Who put that scooter there?
Be careful.
Yeah, so anyway, we got this from MegaMart and it was like £15, wasn't it? Something like that.
It's been a good buy, to be honest.
Goodbye. So that's a vital piece of the infrastructure. Obviously you have the window meshes.
Oh, look, there's your thingy. It's up here.
Oh yeah.
That's the other one.
You've been hiding
That's
that
the other one
from me,
we're talking about. And to be honest, this feels like there's
fair,
only about that much left in there.
I use this like deodorant, to be honest.
I'm not going.
Keeps me fresh.
Ooh. But that one there is a pretty good one.
The other one, like the lemongrass one, natural one, keeping it real. No disrespect to the brand or anything, but that one don't work. That one does work. So the other one might work for you. I know some people prefer like the natural brands, and so do I. That's why I bought it. But
if you're wondering,
in reality, the ones with the chemicals work better over the natural ones. In my.
If you're wondering why it's so quiet here, it's because Hazel is also asleep. No, you're not asleep.
Yeah, what are you doing out there? Just getting eaten by mosquitoes?
No, scootering.
Sorry, mate. Takes scootering quite seriously, that. Get mummy, suck her blood.
They suck their blood.
Yeah, they do.
I hate them.
Yeah, so do I. I absolutely hate them as well.
I know what we use to kill all the mosquitoes.
What?
The mosquito swatter.
Oh, dude. What, are you talking about this thing here?
So this is another thing we've got.
You were getting swarmed by wasps.
Oh yeah, there was wasps bothering me as I was putting out the
Couple
washing.
of minutes ago, yeah.
So Daddy T came to my rescue with the fly swatter and rescued me, swatting left and right. Sorry, the football's on.
France has scored again.
Oh, have they?
It's 4-3 now.
No way! I don't believe it.
What is the matter with England?
So what was it? It was 4-0.
They were 4-0 up. It's only been 16 minutes, 20 minutes. Every single time the door opened, you absolutely have to shut. I just seen them coming in.
You see one come in?
Yeah, literally just saw one. I don't know if you won't have picked it up on camera. Every time you open it, there's one. Trust me. I'm like, cool. I'm like,
Tim.
No, Drew back.
Alright. I don't know, I'm not into
Serena
tennis.
Williams.
There you are. Yeah, you're good with the racket. You managed to get 2 wasps away from me whilst I was hanging up the washing. Oh, darling.
This is what I do. There's one. There's one on your head.
I thought you was going to do something like that.
One on your head.
I was going to say, look how you're trying to go for me. But yeah, so we got the... Anyway, we got the...
you, mate, from a wasp.
Anyway, we got the
In
racket.
reality, she was getting stung by a wasp, and I say...
Anyway, we've got the racket as well. So we got the bed net, we got the fan, we got the door net, we've got window mesh.
So, Can they get through the side of the window mesh? Because ours have got like gaps down here, look.
Yeah, look guys, there's gaps here. They're getting in some way, somehow. So this is the other thing that we do. So how much is this vape thing?
Don't know, I haven't got a clue.
It was
like
100 and... No,
80.
it was less than that, wasn't it? I thought it was like $130.
Oh, 140.
Yeah. I'll put the price in the corner.
Why is the coil so blooming big? Is
Yeah,
that...
you just snap bits off.
Do you?
Yeah, so we've got given...
This up.
Yeah, I normally set this up. One of our friends gave us this to try and get rid of the mosquitoes.
What we got here?
I'm not being rude, but you do keep talking over me.
Here you go.
There you go, vape.
We got this vape because someone gave us this. We don't know if this is any good, let us know. This is what we use.
Here we go. Don't. That's not fun. That's not even funny.
Why? What's not funny about that?
There you go, so you just burn it. And the scent of it is meant to repel mosquitoes.
To me, it just smells like a joss stick. You know, like a incense stick. Doesn't it to you?
It does. It smells
swear
exactly like an incense stick.
There's nothing else in it.
Stick.
An incense stick. My mum loves them.
But there you go. So that's another thing that we do. Man, we've got all these measures and then you manually swat them.
Yeah, I'm going to show you what I do in a bit, like when it gets dark, where I'm going to actually show you what I really actually do. Like every single evening, it will take me about an hour because I'm killing mosquitoes.
You are very thorough with it.
Mate, I have to be. I'm killing mosquitoes. I can taste it in my mouth.
Yeah,
I'm killing mosquitoes for like an hour because there's so many mosquitoes. I don't know if it's where we live. I don't know if it's like the drought.
I know, sweetie. I see him.
Yeah, but he's got the same drip on me. Hey, look.
You matching again? Weren't you matching yesterday?
You're stealing my look.
Please let us know, is there anything that you have tried that works and works well? And if there is something you've tried, just let us know where we can get it from, because at this moment we are desperate. We're just willing to try anything that works. You see what I have to put up with, guys? You see this level of stupidness? Oh, the ting.
There's a mosquito buzzing on me right now.
Oh, well done.
So we bought this because it had a picture of a mosquito
Yes,
on
I see that mosquito.
Yeah, did you see it?
Yeah.
It loves me. They love me, man.
There's one.
They're attracted. There it is. Whoa, it's that. Look, there it is.
Now I've lost it.
It was.
And that's the other thing. Like you can see them, then like you follow them, and all of a sudden they've gone and disappeared. There's one.
Totally rubbish, and apparently it doesn't work for mosquitoes because they don't like the blue light.
Electric insect
But it had a picture of a mosquito on it though, didn't it?
It did, and
I
it
don't know
uses
about
blue light obviously to attract them.
There's
Then
one.
when it comes in, it zaps them. Mosquitoes don't actually seem to go towards the blue light.
I'm at home quite a lot with the kids, and like I used to put them down, and like I'd have to come in and literally be with the kids for like, Melly and Hazel when they have a nap, and I'd like be in the room like sat next to them like killing mosquitoes, like while like shooing them away. Do you know what I mean? Because they were just getting bitten so much. But like obviously I've set this up now, rigged it up, you know what I mean, with a chain, and look at that sophisticated system. But anyway, that's definitely been working. And guess what? You can see, like, if I go out the room, you'll see like mosquitoes like in the net, like I've caught fish or something. Do you know what I mean? Ain't that right?
It's true.
And then I'll be like and kill them on the side. Like that
is true. Don't see any at the moment. Nightmare. What are you doing?
This has still got black sand in it from Alligator Pond.
Oh, lovely. To be honest, it did come back sandy.
So basically, what we're going to try now, we've never done this. I researched this like what?
So Toby's got a little concoction he's going to mix up and...
Wouldn't say that. So I've got a bag of yeast, got some yeast here. Sorry, darling. Come in, man. So there you go. There's the yeast. Again, brewer's yeast.
Okay.
This is your dinner.
Oh, I'm spoiled.
Here's the secret ingredient. Sugar.
Ooh.
Probably need to have this liquefied, but
I'm just gonna work with it. Oh,
it'll work. If you mix it up enough, it will mix.
yeast, water, sugar.
Yeah. And then once it starts, I think it takes a couple of days for it to work. I think that's my mixture done. I'm not going to put any washing up liquid in it yet.
What's the washing up liquid meant to do?
It breaks the surface tension. So when the mosquitoes normally touch the top of the water, they can like break away from it. They don't get submerged. But with the washing up liquid, basically they can't get away. It's like glue, basically. I'm going to stick this in the bath.
In a second, sweetie. Look, YouTubers, it's Hazel.
Where are you going? I'll put them on the right foot though. They're not on the right foot.
Like literally, she's woken up and she wants to go outside on her scooter.
I wouldn't call it playing.
I'm sitting here and I can hear one like going near me, or it's somewhere near me. So it sounds like it's coming from this side. It's horrible, like high pitched sound they made. Ugh, hate them. I was just noticing that I've got a few on my arm. Go on. They're horrible, aren't they?
Go on, Saka. Yes. Big man.
Oh, okay. Off she goes.
Yeah.
There we go. There's a little dirty, nasty mosquito.
I managed to get one out of the air. There's RIP to a wounded fallen soldier. So right now we're going to go on a hunt for these mosquitoes, and I've got my weapon of choice. Can you shut up, man? Alright,
so this is what Toby does.
I do this every day.
Single night.
So what I'll do first is I will go around with the light on, and I'll...
Well done.
I think that was a moth.
All right,
Oh,
still.
sorry, moth. So moths, I'll leave moths because I'm not that type of guy that just goes around just destroying and trying to kill as many insects as possible. Like I'll leave the moths, and I would leave the mosquitoes if they didn't want to just eat me and my children. And you know that more people die. Shut. This ain't the main show,
So yeah, Toby does this every night, basically before the children go to bed, so that we know there's very few mosquitoes before they go to sleep.
Yeah, and also.
Oh, Melly!
And also, I'll do it. What you have to do is you have to like uproot them. You have to disturb them. And this up here, I'll put the Hoover away in a minute. But up here's an absolute gold mine. There's one. Come here. Can you? We've spotted one. Can you see it? Can you see it?
I can't. Where is it?
Can you come a bit closer? Come a bit closer.
This is the closest I can get done.
So there it is. Hold it there.
You can see one on the ceiling up there.
Where?
Dangling.
Okay, I've got a twofer. Oh man, there's about 10 out there. Did you see them? So I got 2 then. One splattered right here. Now what I do is I hit them, just so you know, and then I'll get the baby wipes and wipe them off as well, like straight away, so they don't stain the walls, and they literally just come off. I know it's pretty gross, right? But like, what else do you want me to do? And I wipe them off, so I'll come up and wipe them. Anyway, that was like, there was 2 there. I don't think I got the first one. There's one up here. There it is. There it is. Got it. Look at that.
Well done.
You see that?
There we go.
Look, that's what we're dealing with. Look at that blood. So I'm going to come back and wipe that off afterwards, okay? Don't.
Sorry if this is disgusting.
It is disgusting, okay? But this is what I have to do. This is my life now since coming to Jamaica. Now, I told you that the worst thing about Jamaica was the mosquitoes. And it isn't just getting bitten by them. It's also having to wipe mosquito blood and dead crushed mosquitoes off the wall.
Say hi, Mel.
But like I said, they come off incredibly easy. Literally, like, you know, like wiping, you know, they come off like nothing when you just first do it. Anyway, let me just get that moth I killed. Poor guy.
Well done. Phase 1 of what you do with the light on.
So how long have you been hunting now? Less than 5 minutes?
Yeah, I was going to say 5 minutes.
And I've got 3 already. I don't stop until they stop. Come on, here's one. But there's about 10 in here.
Okay.
Yeah, there's loads. There's literally about 3. So I haven't had long-ish hair. Like one time in my life I had longish hair. And that was when that was like 16, 17 years ago. So look, you have to...
What's happened to that pole?
Ah!
Right. That funny, is it?
Yeah. There's one.
Wow. What are you up to?
I'm watching Jojo and Granddad.
That was phase 1, right? I know there's like 2 or 3 that I've missed. So now, go on then, Mel. Out you go.
Bye.
Oh, are you? Phase 2.
White light.
Yeah, always. And you
Brighter.
want the brightest one, yeah.
Yeah. Step 2, as Toby says that he does. White light on the ceiling, and then you look for like the shadow mosquito.
This is what I actually really actually do like every single day. See them much better, but I like to...
Yeah, it's true. The light really does like bring them up a bit better.
Yeah.
Sitting on the wall or sitting on the ceiling, when you shine the light on them, you can see like the shadow. This sounds silly, but you can see the shadow of like the long legs and
track them and see where they've got, and then once they've landed, then you get them. Basically, obviously. There's one. Hey, it's right on my head. Hey. I'll get like 10 plus, won't I, a night? Like 11, 8, 9,
yeah,
10, 11.
you get up into double figures a lot.
Yeah, regular. The cheeky little so-and-so. 2. Oh my God. There's one there. Look, and then there's one here.
How convenient they landed on the racket.
I've got to pick one. I'm going to go for this
Yeah, I would.
Damn it, I missed them both. There it is, there it is. I think I've got it. There it is. I think that's the fly. Not being a very successful hunt tonight, to be honest with you, is it?
No, normally you're a bit better than this, aren't you?
It's the pressure, man. So there's one, there's one, there's one.
Oh yeah, well done. Hey, did you
I
get
don't
it?
think I got it.
Oh no. Tobes, man.
Sometimes they're so quick they move and the gust.
Oh.
I've missed it. Oh no, here it is.
Oh, well done.
Here it is.
Hey.
There he is.
Oh, here comes Hazy.
There's another one just flew by.
Yeah, I did see it. Hazel's joined the mosquito hunt. Say hello.
Excuse me, we got Jojo and Granddad on.
Tell someone who cares.
I'm out here and you can.
We're doing a mosquito hunt right now, but you enjoy Jojo and Gran.
Yeah, put it on, yeah.
Okay, enjoy. That one?
There's one there. Bigger. Whoa, that one's massive.
Way, bingo.
Bingo, bango, bango.
Way. Another one.
It's an absolute whopper.
Well done, Daddy-O.
There's one.
Oh, I see it.
Can you come
Hold
closer?
on.
So
See it, guys?
back up.
Give the man space. Yes.
Another
Well done,
one.
darling.
killing them like one after the next, after the next. And this is with all the measures that we do.
Yes.
So like blocking them at the door, smoke things, we've got the net up, there's meshes on all the windows.
Electric rackets.
Electric racket, I'm killing them in the day.
Yep.
There's no food out, like
There's no stagnant water around, like.
We're not near the end.
No, this is just
like,
the beginning.
I'm just warming up. We're gonna go to phase 3. There it is. Didn't get it. Didn't get it again. Where'd it go? Ah!
Wait.
That's it. Alright. So instead of having the light pointing downwards.
Now it's head torch time. Really, this is what he does every evening before the children go to bed.
And when you're in bed, everyone's in bed asleep. I will do it again. I'll do it again, this again. And I'll probably get like another 7 mosquitoes or something.
You've seen one?
Yep.
Where?
Or
Listen up. I hate all insects. Spiders, lizards, beetles, mosquitoes. Why are you shining the light right in my eye? I hate all of them.
People.
And I don't even like to use the word hate, but I hate them all. Anything that moves quickly and scurries along.
They can't see you, man.
Scurries along. I hate them. Don't we, Mel?
Anyway,
but obviously I try to act a bit braver, like around the children. You know, you like here, you get the 2 different types of lizards. I was saying to Tobes earlier, like the pointy face, like the greeny dark ones. I don't like them, but they're not as bad. It's them see-through looking, colour changing, translucent ones. They're horrible. And they go like beigey, but they're horrible. They're all horrible, but them ones for me are the worst. And to get on top of that, when they lose their tail and their tail comes off and their tail's there wiggling, but that the lizard's like gone off and gone in a different direction. I hate them. I love lizards. I hate them.
That's why I keep one in my pocket.
The nasty things. Anyway. Sorry, I'm very passionate about my hate for the insects. I know they have their place in this world. I know. But still, I don't like them. What's up?
At least they got to go out, like, they usually go out, like, having fun, don't they? Because I put them down on the water park, water flume.
Yes, you do. And down they go.
Yeah, man.
As long as they don't swim back up.
I doubt it.
Oi! Are you getting tired, Mel?
I can't actually see it.
I'm just pausing it for a second.
Yeah, so
we won't bore you anymore with our mosquito hunt.
Yeah, so
sorry.
I'm gonna call it there now for a day for the time being. But when the kids go to bed and they actually get into bed, what I'll do is I'll do this again. I'll set the net back up, and Mummy and the baby will sleep under the net. I won't, because there isn't enough room for us all under that net, and it's too hot for me.
I'm sweating right now.
Yeah, same.
Absolutely
and then I'll do another whip around and kill more when they're all asleep in bed. And I'll probably kill, like I said, maybe another 4, 5, 6, 7 before bedtime. And then after that, that's it. So
yeah, let's wrap this up.
All right, ciao.
Right. Comment if you got anything to say. Thumbs up if you like our video. Subscribe.
How many mosquitoes did I kill, actually? I'm going to go
We're going to have to tally it up.
I'm going to tally it up, and I'm going to see, like...
Yeah. Hit the notification bell as always, and we will see you in the next video. Say bye, Melody. Say bye.
My weird life in Jamaica. Bye.
Bye.